How do we come up with a formula for finding the surface area of a cylinder? So first of all, it's two bases and a face. Here's a base of a circle, a base of a circle, and a face. So when I look at the formula, and I'm actually, before I look at the formula, I'm going to do the same thing that I did in the prism. So I'm going to take the ribbon and I'm going to wrap it around. Okay? What is it called when I wrap around a circle? When I walk around the outside of a circle, it's called circumference. So if you look at your star chart right here, this is 2 pi r. That's circumference, remember? So what I'm doing is I'm wrapping around all the way to the top, and that would cover it, just like I did in the prism. So I'm doing circumference, 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 a whole bunch. How much? H times the height, okay? So if you are looking at this formula, well, let me pull this over a little bit. Hold on. So this first part of the formula where it says 2 pi RH, you're actually calculating circumference, and the H is how many times you're walking around the circle to make sure you're painting the entire thing. So usually some people like paint here and then go here and then paint here. I'm telling you, paint a strip, go above, go above, go above, all the way around. You're walking around, you're walking around, you're walking around, and it covers all of this. Okay? Now, the other thing that you're going to see is you're going to see that here's a base. Whew, my base fell off. Here's my base, it's a circle. Here's my base, it's a circle. The formula for this circle is pi r squared. How many do I have? 2 of them. So when you look at the formula, it is 2 pi r squared, and this pi r squared right here is the area of one circle, but I have a top and a bottom. So this is circumference times the height plus the area of the two circles. So that is why the formula for total surface area for a cylinder is 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r squared.